Hello everyone, today we're comparing two versatile full-frame mirrorless cameras, the Nikon Z5ii and the Panasonic Lumix S5ii. Both handle photo and video well, but they have very different strengths. Let's see which one wins for you. So the Z5ii is Nikon's latest update to its full-frame mirrorless lineup. It keeps a 24.5 megapixel full-frame sensor and pairs it with the XP7 processor, giving better autofocus, higher shooting speeds, and improved stabilization over the original Z5. It can shoot photos up to 14 fps mechanically and offers 4K video at up to 60 fps plus 12-bit NRAW internal capture, something many cameras in this class don't offer. Here are some of its pros. It has excellent autofocus for stills and videos. Smart subject tracking is fast and reliable. Bright EVF and fully articulating touchscreen. Great for vlogging or creative angles. Strong still photo performance with reliable AF and dynamic range for landscapes, portraits, travel, and more. However, video features are capable, but not as expansive as some rivals. Codecs and video tools are often basic compared to Panasonic. Rolling shutter and stabilization are good, but not class-leading. It's for photographers who want a reliable, all-around camera with excellent autofocus and strong still performance. The Panasonic Lumix S5ii is Panasonic's hybrid full-frame camera with video shooters in mind. It offers 6K open gate recording up to 30 fps and 4K up to 60 fps internally with 10-bit color, plus unlimited recording thanks to active heat management. A big deal if you shoot long clips. It also has hybrid phase detect autofocus system and excellent 5-axis IBIS, plus improved EVF and dual UHS-II card slots. Here are some of its pros. Best-in-class video capabilities in the bracket, 6K, high bitrate, slow motion, tools like LUT preview and scopes, strong stabilization and versatile internal codecs, dual fast memory cards and a robust body with a very angled screen. However, autofocus still trails Nikon's in certain situations, especially subject tracking for fast-moving subjects, and is slightly larger and heavier body. It's for hybrid shooters and video creators who want maximum codec flexibility, internal 10-bit capture, and long continuous recording without overheating. So which camera wins? Shoot mostly still or fast action scenes? The Z5ii pulls ahead thanks to its strong autofocus, reliable subject tracking, and excellent photo performance. Ideal for portraits, events, and travel photography. Shoot a lot of video? The Lumix S5ii is still the clear favorite. Better internal video codec, high-bit 4K 6K options, strong stabilization, and unlimited recording makes it a more complete video tool. Hybrid usage, both cameras can handle both photo and video well, but your primary focus matters. Stills, lean to Nikon. Video leans Panasonic. The bottom line, Nikon Z5ii for photographers and hybrid shooters who prioritize autofocus and stills, and Lumix S5ii for creators who want professional style video features without adding extra gear. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.